In this video, I'm gonna cover calculus 1 for you might come across to something called L hospital's rule. This is also something you might come across to calculus 1. So let me do one problem here. Let's say limit as x approaching x cubed x approaching 2 x cubed minus 7x square plus 10x all over x square plus x minus 6. So you have to use and apply L'Hospital rules. It's called L'Hospital rules. How this is work? This is what you're gonna say. Limit as x approaching 2. You're gonna say that 3 comes down. The power of 3 coming down. 3 times x is 3x, and then you have to subtract 1. So basically exponent coming down, you multiply coefficient whatever you have at the front, and then you subtract 1 that exponent. So 3x x is gonna get power of 2, x square, minus, so we have now power of 2 coming down, and you multiply that to the 7. What are you gonna get? 14. And then you have to subtract 1 for the x square, the power exponent. So if you subtract it, you will have only x left there. So that's what's going on for when you hear the L'Hospital rules. And then you have plus 10. The variable x has a 1 power. That power you multiply it to the 10, you just get 10. And you subtracting the power of the x is 1. So, and then the x is gone. So it has 1, right? If you subtract 1, so x will have 0. Anything has 0 become 1. 1 times 10 is 10. That's what's going on, okay? And then you will have all over, we will say 2x squared, the 2 coming down, you multiply to the x, you have 2x, and you subtract 1 the exponent, then it become what? X. And then the second one is the 1 exponent coming down, because x has an exponent of 1 here, even though nobody writes, it has a 1. So that one comes down, you multiply to the x, you just get back to the x, right? And then what you're gonna get, you subtracting, so let's say it's like x has a 1, the 1 coming down, 1 times x is x, you subtracting the 0, it become x to the power 0, and it become 1. So that's how it works. This become also 1. Alright, so what are we doing? We're doing calculus L'Hospital's rule. So now this is what we have now. Now we can do the limit, because we apply this expression to L'Hospital, right? L'Hospital rule, okay? L'Hospital rule. So now we can do this to limit now. So what do we have? X is approaching to limit as x approaching to 3x, right? So x is approaching in 2. So since x approaching 2, we have here 3x squared minus 4x, right? So we will have times we will have here 4 times we will have here 3, and then we have x approaching 2, we square it, minus 14, and then x approaching is 2 plus 10 all over 2 times 2 times here 2 times 2 plus 1, right? Because x is approaching 2, we replace this all the x 2. So what are we gonna have here? This becoming 4 times this 12, right? 12 minus this become 28 plus 10 all over this become 4 plus 1 5, right? So subtracting this, add that, what are we gonna get? If you add this 2 is 22, you subtracted 22, this negative 6. So now you're gonna say limit negative 6, right? And this 5 is coming here. So you're gonna say the final answer, you're gonna say limit as x approaching 2, 3x squared, right? Minus 14x plus 10 all over 2x plus 1 equal to negative 6 over 5. That's the final answer, and this is how you do the L'Hospital. This part, when you get, this is how you change to the L'Hospital. Then you can apply to your limit. Whatever finally you get is your how you get the limit for Calvin L'Hospital rule.